my name is Erica and I'm back with the Paper Issues design team today for a challenge called One Hit Wonder. It's a super easy challenge. Anybody can do it. All it entails is using one photo and one photo only. So to start, I have my Altenew Arrow stencil here. My plan is to create a soft gradient from pink all the way to the bottom red, and the arrow is going to be pointing to my photo, and I want to extend that horizontal bar right across my page. I did speed this up exponentially so you wouldn't have to sit there and watch me blend all the colors together. So once I have that all set, then I will spritz it a little bit with water, and there's my photo. I'm taking these cute alpha tile squares that will read Love, Me, and You. This is all part of the February kit, by the way. If you use the code LUCKY, you will get a 20% discount in the Paper Issues store. Now, since I have the red and pink on the left and the black and white in my photo, I use this floral paper because it kind of creates an anchor because it has all of those colors in it, if that makes sense. Now, I cut these hearts out and I left them roughly cut, and they looked funky and I really like them, and they helped me support my gradient from pink all the way to red, so I thought that was a great choice. Just distressing my paper strips here, and I'm laying down black as well to help play off of the black in my photo. Now I have this really cute gray checked paper, and I'm also including some wood grain to mirror the wood grain in the alpha tiles, as well as a bit of paper I cut down that says I love you, I love you, I love you, and a really cute pink flower card that was also fussy bladed out. Now, for some reason recently I've really been in a sewing kick. I don't know why. Usually white space doesn't bother me, but I felt called to just sew a bunch of horizontal lines across all of the white space on my page. I don't know. I have to answer the call sometimes, you know? So from here, I'm bringing in a little bit of gray as kind of an extension to that arrow, as well as some black splatter. Now, disclaimer, if you sew on your page and you use splatter, like I did, the thread will pick up the splatter and spread it. So I did not mind how this looked, but you have been warned. So here I'm placing some enamel dots from red to pink, again in that gradient, adding a quick caption about our plane ride to Vegas in 2015, and that is it. A fun, fast page that I hope you get the ability to partake in the challenge. I will also link the Paper Issues Facebook group below if you haven't yet joined, and thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye!